Yeah, but it's actually more than 500 here because these deposits keep going up. Yeah, it's crazy. So here's my bank account and my commission deposits the last few months. I wanted to test this out for myself before making a video because most of the time this stuff is just a joke. So let's start with what is this and how did I make this money? What are we talking about here? Right. So this is a platform called HighLevel. In the marketing world, it's been around since about 2018. A lot of people are still coming on board, 90,000 customers to be exact. To be honest, we're not too interested in the end user side of it for making the money on the commissions with the affiliate side. This is more what we're interested in. As of February 2025, $100 million nearly in affiliate payments. And the crazy thing is most people don't realize that HighLevel, the reason why their commissions can be so high, they don't have an internal sales team. They strictly only sell through their affiliate. And so the commissions are pretty generous and it's 40% recurring for life for every single customer. That's absolutely unheard of. So I was like, all right, that's cool. How can I make this actually work? Because a lot of things sound good on paper, but then in reality, it doesn't shake out. So that's why I waited a few months. And actually, my commission started back in September. My bank account only goes back till December 13th here on this. Anyway, so basically, I am simply sharing my affiliate links. We're going to go through those in a minute with Facebook groups. Going in there and not being spammy. I'm going to show you exactly what I'm doing, detailed, step by step. I actually put together an entire document for this video. But you can see here, the traffic is coming from mostly all Facebook because that's what I'm doing. This is a strategy, right? So obviously the next question is, how do we refer people without being scammy, without trying to be salesy and all that stuff that everybody hates? Well, here's the easiest way that I've found that actually works. It literally takes me like 10 minutes a day while I'm lying in bed, doom scrolling in the morning. I know it sounds too good to be true, but you're going to see in just a second. That's exactly what I'm doing. Before we dive into the details and the nitty gritty, I do want to show you where the links are going so you can have an understanding of what people are going to see when you send them there, right? The nice thing, you don't have to create any of these web pages. HighLevel, my bank is logging me out. See, I'm in, there's not a screenshot. I'm literally logged into my bank account. So the main offer is going to be a 30-day free trial that you can send people to. And that's nice because HighLevel's homepage, if you go off the street, is only a 14-day trial. So even if you don't have any particular angle, we're going to talk about all the angles in a minute, and you just send someone to HighLevel, they can get longer free trial than if they were to come off the street. And this goes through all the different software that it consolidates, and it is a phenomenal platform. I've been on HighLevel for over 2 years now, but this is a completely different way to make money with it. And that's why I was kind of like, let me test this out. So that's one link. Then for people that don't know anything about the platform or want to start a business from scratch, they have literally a free 5-day live training. Anyone can join this. You could join this if you want to. Everything from putting your offer together, prospecting, fulfillment, sales, like how to expand. It's crazy. Phenomenal content, unbelievable value. They run it every single week, Monday through Friday. I would suggest everybody do this. This is great. Okay. If you are more on the entrepreneur business side, or you've already got an idea for like a software as a service, you can white label the platform and build whatever you want in there from an automation standpoint and provide your own custom solutions to your customers in your own niche right here on the SaaS plan. You get 30-day free trial right with that. Again, affiliates only. This here is not even available on their main website. You can't even get it. So as an affiliate, you get more offers than what people can get off the street. This is the value proposition I'm talking about. So you can understand, like, why is anyone going to open their wallet and give me money? We're going through that now so you can see why. They even have affiliate stuff for other things, like you can be HighLevel certified, and that is a monthly fee. And there's an entire website where people that are certified are, and you can get client work. So if you refer someone to that, you can get paid from that. I'm not too interested in that with my strategy. That's worked for me, but just so you can see, like, those are the primary landing pages, right? So what I did was I was like, you know what? I like things simple, don't take a lot of time, that it just work automatically and put money in the bank. So I was like, I'm going to join a bunch of Facebook groups, but I'm not going to spam them. But you can see I've joined 730 groups. You can see there's 100 core features that I have listed here that basically HighLevel has to offer. The idea is you go to Facebook groups that would have a need for any one of those associated features. Okay. So here's 100 Facebook group types and the benefits that this group would benefit from this type of thing. And there's all different credit repair, local businesses, plumbers, electricians. And this is where people say, oh, well, aren't you just going to create competition for yourself if you, no, there's tens of thousands of Facebook groups. There's niches I don't know anything about. I'm not a hair salon. I don't know how to cut hair. I can't go into a group like that per se and really add value. Although you can, but I would say start in your sphere of influence first. But you can in the sense, like if you do join a group like that and someone is a hair salon owner, or they want a calendar system or an appointment booking system or a phone system, all that stuff's available on HighLevel. You can still come in there and say, oh, hey, yeah, I got a free trial of 30 days for a software solution that can do that for you, right? Value add. It's not offensive. It's not spammy. You're only ever responding to questions people are asking. There's so many groups you can join, and there's so many search terms we're going to get to in just a second here that you can see. You can search, I've had people reply on posts that were months old and still sign up. So it doesn't matter. And other people will see your post too. It doesn't have to be the original person that posted the question. What you don't want to do, and I promise, do not do this. Don't join a bunch of groups and start posting in the main feed. You will get banned, kicked out. Do not do that. Follow the guide. I have here a step-by-step guide at the very end, and you'll be just fine. Okay. So here's what we do. We have those groups. We can join those groups, search for the group types. And then when you get in there, here's what you can do. Go to the Facebook group, type in your keyword in the group search bar, and then copy the URL of the search results and save that, right? It's like a pre-saved search query, pre-canned, and you can periodically open that bookmark to see if any new search results have appeared. So here's all the different types of things that, people will post questions about that basically are a trigger, like, oh, this person might benefit from HighLevel. Okay. Again, we are here to add value, bring awareness to the product. Okay. As an affiliate, that's what you're getting paid to do. You don't need to build a personal brand. You don't need to make content. You don't need to make videos. I just showed you hundreds of dollars a month, probably close to 700 or 800 this month. I'm literally just posting my link, copy and paste. Like, I wish it was more complicated than that. It's not more complicated than that. That's how ridiculous this is. Okay. So you can go through here and you can see, and then lastly, here's a complete step-by-step, right? A full transparency. You don't have to use my affiliate link. It doesn't matter. The price for you is the same, whether you use affiliate link or not. The idea is you get people signed up before your first month, right? My first month commissions was $356.40. Did I care anymore about the $97? No. Why would I care about the $97? I'm already making more than that month one, right? This guide, if you go through it, you're going to be cash flow positive right away. So if trying this out is something you might be interested in, it's free. Grab the link in the description and download the document, and you can be off to the races. I'll see you on the inside.